Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome. My name is Dutchman Games. Today, we're going to make a cinematic in our game. Now, this is actually done pretty easily, and it's not that difficult. All you need to do is you need to get a cinematic player and a sequence and set up a camera. So, let's get right into it. So, what we're going to do is we're going up here to the blueprint. Sorry, to the little movie symbol, and then click Add Level Sequence. Just save it wherever you want. And now we have this little screen here, and in this we're going to do the editing. So we need a camera, and what I would like you to do is to get a position where you want the camera to be. Now usually I'll have this on my second screen, but for now I'll keep it here so you can see what I'm doing. So for example here, spawn the camera, and then we're going to adjust the camera settings a little bit. So we can actually do that in here. So let's put this on a DSLR, and you can change the zoom, and you can do all kinds of things. For now, we'll just keep it on just keep it on 1960 DSLR. So this is the camera that we have, and the most important thing here is the transform. So this will be the track of the camera line, and in here we want to set where the camera starts, and that's right here. Now, where does it know where the location is? It actually knows because you are playing as the exact view of the cinema camera actor. So this is actually the camera actor. And the moment I press on play, it will snap to this, as you can see. So let's make this a little longer because I want a little bit longer video done. And then from here, we are going to move our camera around. So I want my camera to move slowly to here. So keep in mind, I'm not actually moving the camera in the video. I'm changing the position, and as I will change this, it will actually snap back to where I am. So I have to kind of gauge where I want this camera to spawn next, which is here, right in front of the fire, right there. And then you want to click on transform. Now what will happen is when you click on play, it will actually move to it, which is exactly what we want. So this will actually repeat, I think. So if you just wait, oh, it won't. Okay. So just click on here. As you can see, it's moving towards the fireplace. And then from here, we want it to slowly move to the throne. Right, and actually put it all the way in the end. Just slowly move to the throne. Let me see if this is right. Something like that. All right, save it. And this will be our sequence. So play it. It moves to the fire, and then from here, it will slowly move and pan a little bit up to the throne. Now you can change all these values as you want, and you can play with this. And this is basically the very basics of making a animation. You can turn this all, change this to all the FPS. I'm gonna keep this in game. If you want to turn this into an actual video, so if you want to actually export this, you can export it right here, and you can actually export it to an MP4, and then it will start rendering the whole thing. So you can actually make MP4s with this as well. Now, how are we gonna play this in our game? Now here you can see the lines, right? So there's a really simple way of doing this. You can just grab the cinema actor, and you can grab the level sequence, put it in. Oh, sorry, it's already in. And you can actually click on autoplay and don't loop. This way, the moment we start the game, it will actually autoplay the cinematic right here. And then once it's done, it will stop the cinematic and go back to the player. Um, you could, for example, put the player start here, and then make sure that you can't move and you don't have a UI. And then, oh, why? Oh, of course. And then, the player start could be there, and this could be the beginning of the game. Obviously, I can move now, but you can turn this off, and then this will be the beginning of the game or whatever. So you could do that. You could do a lot with that. So there's also a different way of playing this, and you can just play it in the level blueprint. You can get a reference to the level sequencer, and then you can play it in the level blueprint if you want. But this is by far the easiest way to set up a little cinematic. So I hope I could help you guys out with this tutorial. I know it was requested as well. So I hope you're helped with this. And yeah, leave a like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. Cheers.